Welcome back. So you've given us some really interesting sources about these powerful new autonomous tools online, agents changing how people work, basically.
Yeah, it's moving incredibly fast.
Well,
And resources like the AI Agent Store are really useful for keeping track for finding these high-performing agents.
right. So today, let's really dig into one that stood out from your material, Shortcut, specifically the Excel AI version. People are calling it a superhuman analyst. What's behind that?
Well, look at who it's for. Financial analysts, FP&A teams, financial planning and analysis folks, accountants, people in private equity, VC.
Okay, so the heavy spreadsheet users.
Exactly. If your job involves wrestling with big, complicated spreadsheets all day, this tool is aimed squarely at you.
And what does it do? More than just basic calculations, I assume.
Oh, yeah, much more. The sources say it automates a ton of stuff, cleaning up messy data, writing complex Excel formulas, even generating charts and, detailed pivot tables automatically.
That's quite a bit. And how does it work? Is it separate software or?
That's a key point.
Yeah.
It runs as a web app, sure, but also, and this is critical, as a native Excel add-in.
Ah, okay. So it works right inside Excel itself.
Precisely. Which means when you, say, build a model with it and then export it back out as a standard Excel file and .xlsx,
It keeps all the formulas
I mean,
and the formatting.
exactly, everything's preserved. For any serious finance team, that kind of integrity, especially for audits or compliance, is absolutely vital.
Okay, so it keeps things clean. But you mentioned building full financial models. That sounds like a pretty big leap.
It is a big leap. We're talking discounted cash flows, DCFs, leveraged buyouts, LBOs, even full three-statement models.
Wow. Stuff that usually takes junior analysts weeks, maybe.
Right. And it reportedly does this autonomously, just based on natural language prompts and the raw data you give it.
I saw a metric about its autonomy, 79%. What does that mean in practical terms? It does most of it, but not everything.
Yeah, but 79% is interesting. It suggests it can handle these complex multi-step spreadsheet tasks without you needing to click through every single step manually.
But there's still a 21% gap, so human oversight is still needed.
Absolutely. And that's probably a good thing. It handles the mechanics, maybe running sensitivity tables or different scenarios based on your prompts. But the human, you, still sets the core assumptions, interprets the output, validates the results. It's more like a co-pilot.
Okay, a co-pilot, not autopilot. That makes sense. So how good is it at the mechanical stuff? This is where the sources had that really surprising comparison, right?
Uh-huh. This is the part that really jumps out. They apparently put Shortcut AI head-to-head against first-year analysts from top firms, think McKinsey, Goldman Sachs, on Excel tasks.
Okay, and
The agent, Shortcut, won 89.1% of the time.
89%
Yeah.
against analysts from those firms.
Yes, and here's the kicker. The human analysts were given 10 times more time to do the same task.
10 times the time and
Leave-
still lost most matchups.
Well, and the judging was blind, done by their own managers.
Okay, that's genuinely disruptive. So what here is massive. It's not just about saving time on grunt work, is it?
Not just saving time, no. It potentially changes what analysts spend their time on. If this handles the complex but mechanical Excel work much faster and apparently often better.
Then the human analyst can focus more on the strategic side, the interpretation, the why.
Exactly. Higher level thinking, client interaction, understanding the context behind the numbers. It frees them up from, spending endless hours just formatting data or debugging formulas. It elevates the role.
Makes sense. It shifts the value proposition. And how do people actually get access to this?
It's a freemium model. So there's a free tier you can use, probably with some limits on daily tasks.
Okay, so you can try it out.
Right. But for professionals, like in finance teams needing unlimited use, faster processing, maybe specific templates, and definitely that native Excel plugin that requires a paid plan.
Got it. So it really sounds like this could become, well, almost an essential tool for anyone doing serious financial analysis.
It definitely seems poised to be a significant aid, yeah.
Mhm.
Which raises a question for you listening. If this kind of automation handles the heavy lifting in finance, what skills become most valuable for professionals in the next few years?
Something to think about.
And if you want to find Shortcut AI or look into other agents like it, the place to go is aiagentstore.ai.
AIagentstore.ai. Great. Well, thank you for tuning in to this exploration of the sources you sent us. We really appreciate you listening. And please do take a moment to rate this deep dive if you found it useful.